pulsing heart of night. The strobe cuts through darkness. It's not just light, it's a beacon. The strobe becomes our guide. Our shadows dancing with strangers, our bodies merging. Each flash a story, a memory, a fragment of time where everything seems possible. A spark ignited, a rhythm found. The strobe, more than light, it's a symbol of connection, a dance that unites. Here, in the heartbeat of the strobe, we are alive. We are infinite. We are one. In the pulsing heart of night, the strobe cuts through darkness. It's not just light, it's a beacon. The strobe becomes our guide. Here, in the heartbeat of the strobe, we are alive. We are infinite. We are one.
Strobe.